Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for giving love to my previous videos on CRUD React app and design Spotify system design and React interview questions. Today I'm going to teach you like how you can deploy your React application on Netlify. Okay, in simple terms, you want to showcase something on somewhere, right? So where will you show? Do you every time you send your GitHub link? Sometimes because of dependency, it might not work, right? So today we are going to deploy our application on Netlify, which is totally free. So I have made this application and deployed it on Netlify. Like example, if you are looking for a mentors, okay, affordable mentors in SD with front end, back end skills, full stack skills like this, and in ERP you can click here, right? Okay, let's see how this works. And also I would like to tell you that this is my website college2corporate.in, where I'm going to share my experiences, others experiences, real life experiences with you, so that we can fill the gap. Okay, we can fill this bridge between the college and corporate. Okay, so you can check out my these three courses, and this is what we are offering right now. Okay, so yeah, so let's start. First of all, you have to log in on Netlify. Example, I am just right now signing out. First of all, if you are a first time user, then you have to sign up with GitHub. You can do, okay, you can do with GitLab as well. So I have already signed up with GitHub, so I'm going to log in. Okay, so you can do with email as well. Okay, so it's better if you just directly update your GitHub, and Netlify will automatically take all those changes, right? So okay, so I am going to log in with GitHub. The moment I logged in, you can see my all apps which have deployed till now, okay, and running, like this one, MB Mentors. So this will not be the first screen when you logged in first time, right? You will see it totally empty, where you can see a browse, like you can put three options will be there: import an existing project, start from template, and third is deploy manually. Simple, right? So of course you can import existing project. Today in this video we will going to cover only deploy manually, which is very easy and anyone can understand. Yep, I will take you to my this is my React JS machine coding rounds. Okay, you can find it on my GitHub for free. Okay, okay, so I have created here find mentors. This is my repo, right? I need to run command npm run build. When I run this command, build command, you will see one new folder will be created over here. Okay, where we will have all the details of our React application. Simple. Okay, so now you can see. So here we have all assets and index.html. Everything is inside in these files, JS files and one CSS file. So for our whole application, where we have lots of information, lots of components, lots of JSX, TSX files, right? So it will just make only one file. Okay, so now we need this. Take. Okay, done. Now I am going to put find it in a folder. Oh, what I did? What did I click somewhere else? Dist. Open, reveal in file explorer. So here is the folder, right? I'm going into Netlify. I said I want to deploy manually, so it's saying drop here. Okay, so let me drop, find vendors, go dist. Oh yeah, I will show you one more thing. If you want to modify and redeploy, how it will work. Okay, so let's see. It's saying don't refresh, bro. Okay, so it did. Okay, it created a link. Open this link. Now this is a shimmering.churros, some code and Netlify. So this is deployed, right? You can share it with anyone. Now this was old one. Now you can see how I changed this name, URL name, right? You can also do that. Is very very easy. Just go into project configuration, and here change project name. Okay, updated, update, no, new file, new app. Okay, if I just say save, this is already taken. Okay, new app hyphen one, save. Okay, cool. Now this is not found. Now where it is, new one. Okay, let's go to project overview, click here. It is here. Okay, right. So now one more thing. As I said, I want to modify it. Okay, example, I want to add new record over here. As you can see here, I have 1 2 3 4 5, right? So let's go here, go to my code, delete this now dist. Okay, now go to the mock data. Where is the mock data, man? Is it in constants? 4 5 and then we have 6, right? I am going to add Om Sharma, who is associate technology L2. Okay, this is wrong as per my this thing. Okay, associate. Okay, let it be. It's very actually big name. I just don't want to like that. Associate, let it be consultant. Okay, and he's SD backend. Expertise is in backend. Okay, only one. This is a string actually. So this is a array of string. Azure Cloud, React.js, system design, Cognizant, Publicis Sapient, service-based companies, website. Okay, I have added this. Control S. Okay, this my app is running already. Or you want to see? Okay, let me show you. This is my local. Agree? This is my local. Om Sharma is added over here, right? Okay. Om Sharma, capital spelling. Om Sharma. Okay. Changes are reflected? Yes. Now, is it reflected over here? No. Then what to do? Okay. We go back here, run our command npm run build. Now, folder will be created. Okay. Folder is created here. Now, this one. And I'm coming here and I said deploy. Okay. Browse to upload. Okay. I need that path. Control C. So I said dist upload. Upload. Okay, so our application is deployed now. Let's open this production link. Okay, can you see the name here now? Yes, so finally it worked. So you have updated your changes and you deployed it again and it's working now. Okay, so you can see two new files uploaded. So you can see all the changes here, right? Deploy log file, initializing. This is generally happen, right? When you work in corporate, these are the things happen. Okay, so this is just the beginning. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do subscribe and check out. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.